Chayote Cauliflower Stew or Mirliton Cauliflower Stew or Cauliflower Chayote Stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the Chayote recipes and one of the most delicious of the Mirliton recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the cauliflower recipes, one of the most unique of the stew recipes. Today we are going to make Chayote Cauliflower Stew. Ingredients are around 100 grams of chayote cut into pieces, 100 grams of cauliflower cut into pieces. Pour in 2 spoons of tomato chili sauce. Mix the chayote and the cauliflower. And let the chayote and the cauliflower marinate in this mixture for around 30 minutes. The next ingredients are 1 onion cut into pieces, 5 to 10 shallots, 1 green chilli, 25 grams of ginger, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 25 grams of garlic. Heat the pan. And pour in 10 ml of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Put in the ginger, salt, put in the onion pieces, lose the pinkish color. Now put in the shallots, salt, thoroughly soften. green chili, put in the tomato pieces. Thoroughly saute and mix. Thoroughly mix. Put in the chayote and the cauliflower that we marinated, and the tomato chili sauce, and mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mix. Salt and mix thoroughly. Keep on sorting. Put in a spoon of mixture spices. Mix thoroughly. Put in salt to taste. Thoroughly mix. Mix thoroughly. Mix in the salt thoroughly into the mixture. pour in 300 ml of water, mix, and let this mixture cook for 15 to 20 minutes in the pressure cooker. Cooking for the required time, put in some cilantro leaves on top. Now the Chayote cauliflower stew is ready, or the cauliflower chayote stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final chayote cauliflower stew or cauliflower chayote stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the Chayote recipes and one of the most delicious of the Mirliton recipes and one of the most tastiest of the cauliflower recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.